Okay, YouTube, in this video here, I'm working on a G0704 grizzly mill. I had to transfer gear here, strip out. It's made out of plastic. I'm just calling it that. It basically transfers the power from the motor down to the high-low gear here. What I'll do, if you check down the description, I'll put the part number for the replacement gear. It's right here. I got it from Grizzly. It was 10 bucks, $9.99 shipping, so I went ahead and ordered 2 of them. If you don't know how to get to this point and tearing down the mill, I'll also put a link down in the description. I did a video a while back where I had to replace the RPM sensor, which I tear it down to that point right there. When I started this, I didn't know what was going on. I thought the motor might have been bad, so I didn't want to put it back together to start from the beginning. So let's start. Okay, it's got a retaining pin here, so let's get that in there and pull that. Okay. Let's get a screwdriver and pry that off. So if we look right here, the teeth right through here ground off right here. And then there, so we're replacing that. There is a bottom and a top of this gear here, so we want to make sure that we get that in there with this key. Using a soft blow hammer to get that put back down on top of there. Put the retaining clip back on there and we'll start to reassemble and check it out. Okay, let's clean that grease up. And I'll put some more back down there. Grizzly has a recommendation of some lubricant to put on these gears here. So we're going to go ahead and put that on there and just clean up the old stuff here. I had got someone had to replace the high-low gear. So alright, let's go ahead and get this thing back together and check it out. couple things I forgot to mention to you. Make sure you have this unplugged when you're working on it. Another thing to do is always protect your table. I basically lowered the chuck down here onto a piece of wood here to protect the table from dinging it. So we're going to bring up the mill and we're going to check it out and see if he's running now. So, easy fix. Like I said, I call it the transfer gear. Transfers it to the from the motor to the high-low gear here. It's plastic. It's $10. It costs $9.95 to ship from Grizzly, so I went ahead and ordered 2 of them because it is plastic. I've used it for almost 2 years before that went out. Thank goodness it wasn't the motor. The plan is eventually, make this into a CNC machine, but I'm not there yet, so I'm still using the manual mill. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And like I said, down in the description I'll put a link to the part that I replaced, and I'll also include the video from replacing the RPM sensor, just so if you don't know how to tear it down to that point. It's pretty straightforward. Thanks. Bye.